Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to show you what I got at a couple different places, so stay tuned. So, as you can see, got a good amount of stuff. So, all of this stuff right here, I got at Zagray Farm Museum in Colchester, Connecticut. They had a vendor and swap meet there today, and they also have it tomorrow. So got some cool stuff. Got these nice green-handled screwdrivers. I got these two pliers. These will restore really nice. Then you guys all know my favorite tool to restore. Got the auto wrench. This one right here is the 11-inch. Then we have a 15 and a 21-inch one. Then right here we have this screw jack. It's an older one. Top pivot still. This section pivots a little bit, but probably has just a ton of grease and crud stuck in there, so we'll have to take a look at that. And then at one of my favorite stores to go to, Two Sisters Trading Post, I got this breaker bar. You can see right here, snap-on. I paid 38 bucks for it. And we have this Craftsman hammer that I paid $5 for. Pretty cool, like the knurling on it. Definitely has some gouges taken out of it, but overall pretty good. So, not too bad for all this. So, all of this stuff that I got at Zagray and the hammer was still less than the breaker bar made by Snap-on. It's crazy. Let me know in the comments section below which of these tools you would like me to restore in my next video. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. If you guys want to support this channel, please check out the link in the comments section below, templargear.shop. You can get some nice Dan's Restorations hats, shirts, got all kinds of stuff. Again, thank you for your help.